Hi, my name is Shane Sterling. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I wanted to talk about some of the challenges of switching to a vegan and a raw vegan diet. That might include things like bloating, having a hard time digesting the fiber in plants. If you're coming from a meat, dairy, and egg diet, there's no fiber in meat, dairy, and eggs, and processed flours and breads and pastas and cookies and things like that. So if you're eating a standard American diet, most likely you have very, 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 very low fiber. So as soon as you go to higher fiber foods, especially in a raw vegan type of context where you're eating more fruits and vegetables, you could have digestion issues. And if you're coming from like a really damaged biology, like you're really having a hard time digesting fiber in plants, the doctors might tell you, well, since you're having problem digesting fruits and vegetables, don't eat fruits and vegetables. In fact, you have irritable bowel syndrome or colitis or all these other diagnosed irritable bowel problems where the diagnosis is absolutely no fruits and vegetables ever for the rest of your life. And it's easy to be fooled by that way of thinking, but that's not how our biology is designed. That's not how humanity is designed to eat. We're designed for fruits and vegetables to sweep the colon clean, to keep the mucoid plaque off our colon so we can digest and absorb the fruits and vegetables, get the most nutrition out of our food. And it's absolutely absurd that the medical industry tells people not to eat fruits and vegetables when their bowels are irritated. So we have to overcome this. I mean, ultimately you have to eat fruits and vegetables to be healthier. You're going to reduce your lifespan, you're going to age quickly, you're going to get degenerative diseases. All the degenerative diseases comes from this type of waste in the body and undigested food and slowed down metabolic process and the metabolic waste from the heavy proteins, the heavy fats, the animal saturated fats and trans fats. We need to get away from this paradigm, go to the nice raw fruits and vegetables. Raw fruits and vegetables that go through your body instantly, quickly, with lots of nutrition and lots of fiber to keep that colon clean. So, when I first switched to a raw vegan diet, which was about 9 months ago, I'm 100% raw, I had to adjust. My digestion wasn't liking the big salads. I would make a huge salad. I'm talking like the biggest salad bowl you've ever seen. I'd fill that thing and I'd eat the whole salad. It takes me about an hour to make and eat my dinner salads, my big salads for the day. I put everything on there. I put a whole cucumber, a whole apple, a whole zucchini, a pound and a half of greens, 2 tomatoes, an avocado, some seeds, some nuts, these raw dressings that I put on there. So it's a lot of fiber. And at first it was very hard to digest the fiber, and I struggled for a couple months, but I pushed through because I knew my gut bacteria would grow to eat that fiber. I'd been studying about the gut biology, microbiology, and was learning about how the good bacteria feeds on the prebiotic fiber in fruits and vegetables. So the soluble fiber is what feeds the fruits and vegetables, and the non-soluble fiber is what sweeps the colon clean. So we need both of those. We need to feed the good bacteria. So the best prebiotic that you can eat is not a pill you buy at the store, but is simply raw fruits and vegetables. Over time, it took me about 3 months, and my gut microbiome started to flourish and digest these huge dinner salads. Now, 9 months into a 100% raw diet with nothing but fruits and vegetables and high fiber foods, I am able to easily digest massive salads, 2 pounds of greens a day with the fiber, and not have an iota of digestion issues, and more importantly than that, feel like $1,000,000. When I eat my big salads, I feel like I have done a massive service to my body. I feel invigorated. I don't feel sluggish afterwards. I can eat literally a huge salad bowl of salad and I still don't feel weighed down after. I don't have to go take a nap. I don't have to stop what I'm doing so I can slow down and digest my food. It doesn't take blood away from my head and my brain and my thinking and clog me up. It actually is the opposite of that. I still feel like I have energy to run around. I still feel like I have vitality, and it's an amazing thing. It's an amazing thing. Bread, meat, dairy, eggs, pasta, all that stuff takes so much energy for our body to digest that, yeah, we got to sleep that off. But the raw fruits and vegetables take time to adjust to. I just wanted to be in support of that. I just wanted to say, yeah, it's not going to be easy. It might be so hard to adjust to the raw fruits and vegetables and the fibers that you think this is impossible, and you go to your doctor and the doctors say, yeah, don't eat raw fruits and vegetables. So I just wanted to address that because that's absurdity and that's insanity. We need to do whatever it takes to adjust the body over to the raw fruits and vegetables. We got to do whatever it takes. You know, what if that's like a small salad a day, and then you work up over the course of 3 months, work your salads up to be bigger salads? You know, what if that's just introducing one raw food at a time to build up the gut microbiome? If you spent a lifetime eating meat, dairy, eggs, pastas, breads, cookies, pastries, what kind of microbiome do you think you have? Those bacteria in there are used to eating the cooked oils, the refined fermented sugars, the refined carbohydrates. That microbiome is not going to be able to eat the raw fruits and vegetables. So we need to take responsibility for, we've built this gut up, we've built this bacteria up, and we can change that bacteria. But yeah, it takes time and it takes focus and dedication and effort. So I'm in support of that. I'm in support of raw foods. I'm in support of the high fiber, the high water content foods. Makes you feel amazing, gets you up out of the fog, gets you up out of the sluggish zombie coma that everybody's in. So I'm here to move this needle one step further on the scale of evolution. And I believe we can do that together. And I believe raw food is the way to do that. The raw living sunlight energy food is the way we do that. So I'm here in support of that, and I will see you in the next one.